Overcoming procrastination. Break the cycle. Feeling stuck? Let's break the cycle of procrastination together and reclaim your ambitions. You're ambitious with big dreams. You want success and the life you've always imagined. But there's a problem. You feel lazy. You know what you should do, yet you don't do it. This leads to guilt because deep down, you know you're capable of more. That guilt builds up over time until it turns into acceptance. You start the new year strong, but procrastination creeps in, and before you know it, you label yourself a lazy person. So how do we break this cycle? First, understand the root cause, inertia. Inertia keeps you from starting tasks. To beat procrastination, you need to break inertia. Here are 2 effective strategies. Lower the stakes. Start with small, manageable tasks. Use the 2-minute rule. Commit to just 2 minutes of work. Remember, starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, momentum will carry you forward. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these strategies help you overcome procrastination and achieve your goals.